And we have literally this morning just got this sucker in, the re-release of the Kyosho Hanging On Rider series, and this is the first one we've got. The Kenny Roberts YZR500, and this is so cool.
This is an amazing unit.
Oh yeah, it's a wonderful thing, and because Brett asked me to, I'm going to unbox that sucker.
We're going to unbox it.
Head up there.
Let's have a look. All right.
Let's have a head up there.
Yep.
There it is.
Get it in focus.
There's Kenny, looking cool.
There you go. Oh, decals or stickers? Probably stickers.
They would be stickers.
Yep.
Yeah, they're stickers.
Yep.
For sure.
No problem with that.
Do the full. I'd like to paint it, although from past experience with these, many 30-something years ago, they get scratched up pretty easily.
Yeah.
So, it's up to you what you're going to do. So, instruction manual.
Yep. In the box.
In the box.
Fairings and fuel tank.
Well, yeah, the basic frame of the bike, and because it's a Yamaha, it's most. Gee, I think you can probably get away to a large extent with just doing the stickers. But
because they made them white.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's this? That's the rear.
That's the bottom.
Oh, that's underneath.
Bottom part of the fairing
cover for the motor. Yeah.
That's an important factor because the battery for these is a really small little sucker that goes underneath. It hangs underneath. And it's covered by the lower fairing section. Yeah. Now you can't just put any normal battery in. You've pretty much got to use the official Kyosho battery. It's
a dedicated one.
It's a nickel metal hydride battery. Yep. I've read a little bit online, and a few people have said you can squeeze some lipos in there, but the weight is a critical factor in this thing. You need the weight. Yeah. To make the thing work properly. So the nickel metal hydride is definitely.
We've got the ballast, the liquid gravity. Just chuck that in the box.
Something like, problem is it's going to move around, isn't it?
No. You glue it in.
You glue it in?
You blue tack it in the bottom.
So we've got that.
Yep. More frame.
We've got a swing arm here. Swing arm here. That's actually the battery box cover there. Yep. And this here is the battery clip. So it's shaped so you can't, a square back battery won't go in. It's got to be rounded. Like I said, I had a couple of these many years ago. Beautiful.
Got some detail parts in here.
Yeah.
Rider.
There's Kenny Roberts.
Yep.
Looking good.
Poly caps and everything.
Looking a bit thinner these days.
Yeah. He's pretty buff and detailed in there.
There's his legs.
Oh, he's got 4 legs.
He's got 4 legs.
That's one more than I have.
Couple of arms, 4 arms there. So you've got all the bits. Yeah. Now remember, this is the Hanging On Rider series. So as the thing leans over, the rider actually shifts on the saddle as a real rider would. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. Yep.
Brake disc.
Yep.
Yep. Scale brake disc, the end of the shocks.
Yep.
Yep.
Front forks.
Engine detail.
Engine bits.
Yep.
Radiator cover.
Grill, yep. All pre-molded in some colours as well, which is nice. Like we have the gold rims here.
Yep. We like a good rim, don't we?
Ooh,
we like a good
I'll
rim.
give that a rim job.
Yeah. Rear tires. Rear slicks. Big ass slicks.
Yep.
Now here is the probably most people going, oh, do you need a gyro or something? No, you don't. This is your gyro.
Wow.
This is a cast lead inner tube basically. So that goes inside the front wheel. So the front wheel weighs a ton. But that acts as a gyro. Once the thing gets going, they stay upright quite well, and you can go down to a really low speed and they'll still stay upright.
So the gyro's in the front wheel?
Yes.
Yeah, right, okay. Interesting. Yeah, cool.
I'm astounded that I can remember this.
Well,
30 years.
Yeah. There you go.
Yeah. Little
screw pack.
Little tiny ass motor. That's an FA 180 or something, I think.
Something. Is it chain driven?
Yes.
Yeah.
And there's a legitimate chain somewhere. I don't know where.
Somewhere. Over the rainbow.
Way up high?
Where bluebirds fly. Where Labubu's fly.
Labubu slide.
Where Labubu's fly.
Somewhere in here there's a chain anyway.
Labubu.
Because they make. It's actually here.
Ah, yes, there it is. Yeah,
There it is.
Let me zoom in on that because that's a pretty
It's
mean.
a tiny little chain.
Yeah, I mean we missed it. It's got to be pretty small if we missed it, but as you can see here, that's your chain. That's pretty impressive. Wow.
Yeah.
With the sprockets and idlers and everything. Yep.
And if it belonged to you, it wouldn't have any lube on it.
Hey, I did it, all right? I did it. It's due for another one.
Yeah.
I just have to tighten the chain now again.
Tighten the chain.
Tighten the chain, bro.
That is the Yamaha YZR500 hanging on rider.
Yep.
We have one of these.
One. And we don't have some of the electronics
We
to
don't
go
have
with it yet.
No.
Yeah. So this is for sale, but at your own
Unless
discretion.
one of us buys it, which is possible.
Pretty possible.
I mean, if you, me, Brett, and Jack
are all looking at this.
Are all going, yeah, I want one of these. So by 3 o'clock, it could.
Do they have any others in the series?
There are others in the series, but I don't know whether they've re-released them. There was a Kevin Schwantz Suzuki. There was a Wayne Gardner Honda. And I had the Wayne Gardner one. I had one as a Wayne Gardner one, and I painted the other one for Mick Doohan.
Yeah, beautiful.
So
let's go over to Brett.